Hello guys, welcome to So South Quick Reviews. This is Maruti Acharya.
And I am Sanjay Ponnappa, and are you trying to speak like Tata?
I don't know what I'm doing, but here we are after watching Indian 2 first day early morning show 6 o'clock. Okay, so we have little bit difference of opinion, so that's why both of us are in the video. Even though two boys and movie review is coming, a quick review for all the people who want to know whether you have to go watch it or not. According to me, Tata enna Tata idu.
With that, I agree with you. According to me, also, Tata Yenna Tata idu, because I wasn't digging Tata on the screen, but everything else that was happening on the big screen.
Okay.
So, would I watch it in the theaters? Because I didn't really see the charisma of Kamal Hassan. I don't think it is something that you have to go to the theaters and watch. Although there were some visuals in between, some songs, especially Tata Varara song and all, had great visuals. But the main thing is Kamal Hassan, and Senapati was a character, bro. He was a feeling. Even though I just watched the film, Senapati as a character, he was an emotion. And in this, who is this Tata? Tata became Gen Z Tata, and
Coming back to direction, I was very disappointed with the direction part of the movie. Shankar sir, what is this? I think Game Changer will be your comeback movie is what I'm assuming.
let's hope.
Let's hope, yeah, because like they have given lead for Indian 3 also, but I don't know how much of that can be believed on. The major problem with the movie is it's all over the place, it's overdoing the tropes, and the disappointing part of it is every scene other than Kamal Hassan is fairly engaging. So that shows how disappointing of a venture Indian 2 is, because first of all, Senapati, as he mentioned, is an emotion where it's a military character, it's a guy from Netaji army who's against the whole system.
Discipline.
He had discipline. What is this whole understanding? Trying
There
to.
is absolutely no consistency from the first part. So this is a direct sequel. You are saying comeback Indian. I don't know who came back. Some Mongolian or whoever was staying there. What happened to him? I don't know. But this was not Indian.
And like, I'm not even exaggerating. I heard a lot of people saying that, change the look of Tata, we can't see him anymore. They were just cracking jokes and serious scenes. And I don't even want to get into the monologues part of it, because the entire movie is one boring monologue, is all that I have to say. It just keeps on going, preachy, especially the Kamal Hassan portions. The portions where Siddharth and all the other drama is happening, I felt like that was more to the point. Whatever the emotion, it definitely got conveyed.
That was more realistic. That showed what today's society is, how people respond to corruption immediately, and how the intricacies of the corruption that has seeped into the society, and everybody is so adjusted to it that everybody is, repulsive to change when it comes and hits them in the face. That is reflection of society today, and that is why it was so engaging. It was realistic. The first part, it was such a big hit because the aggression and the whole rebellion that seemed realistic, that people could connect to the anger of Senapati, the anger of an Indian, and how every Indian is struggling from bribery. And here the marmam was just senseless.
Oh my god, I felt like everything, they were like Shankar went on overdoing everything that worked in Indian. I think how can we present Indian 2 to the young audience? Just exaggerate everything,
Is
starting
that
from.
what Shankar thinks young
I,
audience?
yeah, that is my question. Is this what? Are we just on social media? Like, the interpretation clearly went all over the place. The makeup, let's get to the technical department, the editing, oh my god, you can aram se chop 30 minutes out of the movie and it will still be the same.
Cut
And
down the dialogues, cut down Kamal Hassan's screen time.
Yeah.
With very due respects to the great one, he is one of our greats. But in this film,
definitely not. Even the music also to a very large extent. I really enjoyed the scenes where the old Indian references were coming. Other than that, it's a very underwhelming music also. In all the technical departments also, it was okay. The VFX also, it was not that great. Overall, it's a very underwhelming product to say the least. But the hook, I think a lot of people might get excited for that. And definitely Siddharth's performance was really, really good. But there is lot to talk about this movie. There are lot decoding, like, you know, how not.
How not to do a film?
No, that's not what I meant. But this is our opinion. Again, we definitely, for people who are Indian fans, want to give it a shot, want to watch a very typical Shankar movie, you can definitely give it a shot. So, whatever is our opinion, this is our opinion. You agree, disagree, mention it in the comments below. And if you are free, if you want to go watch India 2, watch it in your nearest theaters.
Always go watch films in theaters. We might say our opinion, you might like it or not, but this is only about what if you would like to get out of your house and give it a try.
Correct.
That is what we are saying. But if you want to watch a film, please go and watch it in the theaters.
Yes. That's it for this video. More detailed video is coming for that. Please like, share, and subscribe. My video about decoding Shankar is also out. Please check that out too. With that, this is Maruti Acharya,
And I am Sanjay Ponnappa.
and you're watching India Today. So South.